Hello and welcome back. This is Kiran and you are watching Kiran Sketch Vlogs. Today let's sketch an Italian supercar, Ferrari F8 Tributo. Before sketching, let's know some details about that car. Ferrari is a luxury sports car manufacturer based on Maranello, Italy, founded by Mr. Enzo Ferrari in 1939. The company built its first car in 1940. However, the company's inception as an auto manufacturer was recognized only on 1947 when the first Ferrari-badged car was completed. Ferrari also took parts in Formula One racing even from the beginning of Formula One in 1950. The team was nicknamed as Prancing Horse. I'm a personal fan of Mercedes-AMG Petronas, still I like Ferrari. The team has got a huge fan base, even if it had a tough decade, hasn't won championship for a long time. The reason why I am speaking about their racing history is, initially Mr. Enzo Ferrari developed and sold road cars only to fund his racing team, Scuderia Ferrari, and the company has come a long way. Ferrari F8 Tributo is an official bridge into the new design language for Ferrari, characterized by an S-duct in the front that has been extensively reworked from Ferrari 488. If you ask me, it looks like a bigger brother of Pininfarina Battista. The front end looks similar. With the new design, it provides 15% more downforce. The new horizontal LED headlights adorn the front end. Brake and cooling intakes are designed to increase the airflow, allowing for a more compact and lighter braking system. The rear Lexan screen that showcases the monstrous V8 engine is a tribute to Ferrari F40, with louver assisting the heat extraction, and the rear spoiler wraps around the tail lights. The F8 Tributo provides seating for 2 passengers within the cabin that's roomy enough to provide pleasant and comfortable accommodation. Contrasting stitching and sporty design cues helps to give the interior a performance-themed aesthetic that matches the car's sheet metal. The cabin's most notable shortcoming is the rearward visibility. The view of the back is impeded by the rear window's louver. Many exotic cars are very low in cargo space. In this case, Ferrari is no exception. The cargo capacity stands only at 7 cubic feet at the front. The 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 engine behind the louvered Lexan cover is capable of producing an eye-watering 710 bhp at heady 8000 rpm. The power is sent to the rear wheel through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. The combination of lightweight and the most potent V8 that Ferrari has ever produced delivers a rollercoaster ride of acceleration and braking force. Ferrari claims that F8 Tributo can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds and has a top speed of 211 miles per hour. This beast with monstrous V8 engine will lap famous Fiorno circuit in just 1 minute 22 seconds and 5 milliseconds. That's a 3 kilometer circuit. When it comes to price, we can't expect a performance car to be cheaper in price. Ferrari F8 Tributo has a price tag of 4.02 crores in Indian rupees. Enough, it's sketching time. Let me show you my sketch. If you like this video, click the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel to watch the upcoming videos and click the bell icon so that you will get notification whenever I upload a video for you guys. If you have any feedbacks or anything to say, feel free to comment below. Until next time, keep sketching. Bye bye.